I wake up at 7 a.m. when the sun is shining through my window. First, I go to the restroom to freshen up. Then I brush my teeth. Scrub, 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 nice and clean. Then I take a warm bath. Splash, splash. After that, I get dressed. I wear my favorite blue shirt. At 8 a.m., I eat my breakfast. Toast, eggs, and milk. Yum! It's 8:30 a.m. and I go to school with my backpack on. I start learning. I love reading and doing math. Then I have my lunch with my friends. School's over! After coming from school, I complete my homework. Then after that, I play with my friends in the park. I eat my dinner at 7 p.m. with my family. We laugh and talk. And then I go to sleep at 9 p.m. Good night. That's my daily routine. What do you do every day? Bye-bye.